If something is holding you back from starting your own online business, this video is for you. Okay, first of all, you do not need to have a big following. You do not need to be no fancy brand influencer. You do not need to be an extrovert. You do not need to have skills in videos. You do not need to have skills in digital marketing. You do not need to have skills in how to edit videos and all that fancy stuff. And you do not need tech. So what do you need? You need a proven blueprint. You need a proven blueprint to follow. In this blueprint, you will learn how to create content that attracts your perfect customer. Do you know how fun that is? You know why that's fun? Because it's no different than if you were just hanging out with a friend or talking to a friend. That's how we create content. We can show you how to do it through picture post. We can show you how to do it through faceless videos or videos that you talk in. And you know what else is great? This is an introvert's dream. We never have to go find a customer. It's all through automations. And we give you that pre-built automated system. So that eliminates any tech and time. And in the blueprint, you learn how to work 2 hours a day to make daily pay. You guys, I took this system with 0 followers, 0 email lists, 0 skills in the digital marketing world to 6 figures in 6 months. And my goal was to work 2 hours a day and make $54,000 a year. And I made 6 figures in 6 months, 100% around my family. So I will tell you what, if you are looking to build an online business for time freedom and you want to make 100% profit and you don't want to have to worry about tech, you don't have to want to worry about creating a funnel, and you don't want to have to worry about being fancy in videos, you will absolutely love this blueprint. Just put yes in the comments and I'll get you the blueprint details.